Hey guys, so in this tutorial I want to show you guys how we can install Node in our computer. So in Mac by default we don't get a Node installed. So I'm in my terminal right now, and if I do Node here, you see that bash doesn't recognize any Node command, and I don't have Node installed either. So what we're gonna do here is that we're gonna go to our Safari, and then we're gonna look for a Node download, and then we're just gonna install it. Okay, so I'm just gonna go to Safari and then Node and then download, and then here we are just gonna take the latest version, Mac OS. Alright, so once it downloads, we're gonna click on the Node package, continue, and then I'm just gonna give my password, and okay, so now that we have our Node installed, let's close it and then move to trash, go back to terminal, and then I'm gonna do Node here. So as you can see, I've got the Node installed. It's really as simple as that. And if I were to run something like console.log, hello there, I should get the output, right? So that's pretty much what I have for this tutorial. I will see you guys in a future tutorial. Thank you.